Did you know Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich has created more millionaires than any other book? Or that the timeless lessons from the richest man in Babylon have been guiding wealth seekers for almost a century? Today, we're unpacking their secrets, and I'm showing you exactly how to use these principles to build wealth in 2025. Let's dive in. Wealth principle. Number 1. Desire, the starting point of success. Let's start with Hill's first principle. Desire, he called it the starting point of all achievement. Back in the 1930s, Hill encouraged readers to visualize their goals with intense clarity. It's not about vague dreams, but laser-focused ambition. Here's the deal. In 2025, desire isn't just about imagining stacks of cash. It's about knowing your why. Why do you want to build wealth? Maybe it's financial freedom, time with family, or funding your passion project. Write it down. And if your vision doesn't give you goosebumps, it's not big enough. Take desire to the digital world. Let's say you want to start an e-commerce store. Begin with a clear goal. I'll generate $10,000 in monthly revenue within 1 year. Break it down. What products? Which platform? By setting milestones, you're turning desire into a blueprint. Wealth principle number 2, pay yourself first. Next up, the golden rule from the richest man in Babylon. Pay yourself first. It's simple. Before paying bills, expenses, or debts, set aside at least 10% of your income for savings and investments. It's timeless wisdom, but let's give it a 2025 twist. Think of paying yourself as your future self's salary. If you're working hard today, your future self deserves a paycheck. But here's a pro tip. Automate it. Use modern tools like budgeting apps or auto transfers to make saving effortless. Out of sight, out of mind, and straight into your wealth building plan. In 2025, this principle shines when you're investing in emerging opportunities. For instance, take a portion of that 10% and put it into high growth areas like AI stocks, crypto, or fractional real estate platforms. Your money works while you sleep. Wealth principle. Number 3, specialized knowledge. Hill also emphasized specialized knowledge. That's what makes you irreplaceable. But let me break it down. In 2025, it's less about what you know and more about how fast you can learn. Here's a fun analogy. Your brain is like a software system. Regular updates keep it running at peak performance. Start upgrading by learning high-demand skills like AI development, digital marketing, or coding. These aren't just buzzwords, they're door openers to unlimited opportunities. Don't just learn, monetize. Let's say you're great at video editing. In today's creator economy, brands and influencers are paying top dollar for quality content. Pick a platform like Fiverr or Upwork and start offering your expertise. Wealth principle number 4, the power of a mastermind. Here's one of my favorites, the mastermind. Hill defined it as the coordination of 2 or more minds working in harmony to achieve a common goal. It's teamwork on steroids. In 2025, masterminds are more accessible than ever. You can join online communities of like-minded hustlers on platforms like Discord or LinkedIn. Collaborate, share resources, and amplify your growth. You're the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with, so choose wisely. Imagine you're launching an online course. Instead of doing it solo, form a mastermind. Find a content creator, a marketer, and a tech expert. Each brings a unique skill, and together, you're unstoppable. Wealth principle number 5, action, the bridge between goals and reality. Last but not least, action. This principle is where the magic happens. Babylon's richest man said it best, good luck waits for men who act. The key to action in 2025, start messy. Don't wait for perfect timing or flawless execution. Whether it's launching a side hustle, creating content, or making your first investment, start now. Remember, you can't steer a parked car. Think about AI tools. Platforms like ChatGPT, hey, that's me, can help you create a business plan, generate content, or even write emails. These tools cut your startup time in half. Take action and let tech do the heavy lifting. So which principle are you going to try first? Desire, paying yourself first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who's ready to level up their financial game. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more wealth hacks straight from the world's most successful books. We're just getting started. These principles have stood the test of time for a reason. They work. It's up to you to apply them in your life today. Keep learning, keep earning, and remember, visit theaimarketingschool.com for even more strategies to grow your wealth in 2025. See you next time.